Saga nke ya wụkwa with identity ka a ga-eseti.
Onye oshi akwụna na-eso ya n'oge echi. Favor na-ebu ihe dị n'ime.
Deputy my husband said that no one shop pụtara n'ihu ebe a na ọ chọrọ ka o wee onye ya. And I said the person anya abụrụkwa ndị obodo shop dị na site and business anyị dị nwayọ kwụbazie ya ụgwọ. Nnetakwa ụnyaahụ mark ya dị good si na ọ ka fọrọ na nka ya akago ya akago na Chineke metọpịa dat na nka ya akago ya. Onye aka nsi di m na-elele m si m Jizọs na ọ kwabeghị na Pastor Jeria na Onwere something na-agwa dị
that lady, sorry,
my
but
dear.
do you really think that all these things happening is the power of a Roy or Pastor Jerry as a
God,
or anyone?
God.
Especially, okay, God, okay.
My God, it's God that is doing it too. You know God, Elroy is God. Him and Elroy in the Bible. When I was first initially, Catholic in Kembo Babalamishi because my grandfather was a catechist. So Catholic in Kenne Jebalami, I don't go to any other more when I shop plate. I make a shop plate too. Yes, I never
But sometimes, you know, they say, let go, leave it alone, don't address it, only build up.
When I made this Pastor Jerry's prayer, I didn't miss the prayer all the time. Once it's 7 a.m., 6 a.m. here, because 1 hour can sing. There is power in prayer. That's a roy. I don't have an answer. Then I went and I made my own research. Because somebody now very curious. I understand. No, only made that way can come in. Only made that comment. Only put that what is that woman's name in the Bible? Which you go there and again, and was said that husband since I have to believe on it to be a roy. Also, number 7 when I got a dash shop Abuja, my uncle came back. Did you job one at time? Sinam gown. Now I put a prophecy in gown. Even then, my father was alive. My father on timely death in car because my mother died early. Now I went to Lagos again to visit my uncle. It was the first day I got a church. The prophecy now, I went back to Nevin, Governor St. Michael Kalisha Jeben worship. Gamma the singer a divine mercy. That I should just be asking God for his mercy. But I can very divine mercy. Once it's 3 o'clock, we don't make fast in just 3 days. 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. Uncle had 3 o'clock, I would just say that divine mercy prayer. Divine mercy for 3 days. Although the next day I make better on Tuesday, on that day. Ngawansi one is a government. The Catholic, when I went the Catholic, when you hear the prophecy, Nana Kamas. But Father no know and Anakamas. Father goes to go really now. Chukuna say can go that now. What killed your mother? Any obona, everyone from women. Nangwanya na mene ekwi all maka that 216. That any organization on women. And if I have the chance to say what you did for me, that I will always say it. Now that 216 on shocking back and normal truly God answers prayer. Is I'm telling you, God, it is well. For 2 times in no nke sabon gelibo na no otu a atụrụ bomb
during Abiola.
I'm just 30 years. Okay, you made 30 years now, October 1st this year. I can't
Boko Haram Kabidona 2000.
Yeah, what's so with her? I'm not following. Just online, I can follow gas service and gas online. Just that.
Now who get money? Now who get money? They seek. Oh, come go Shineke me. Who pukwara mo? Mano bago mo no. Iye ni sugar. Iye ni why na sugar why man trigger ya? Eye problem. Sugar kale. Sugar.
But natural remedy on a treat when in diabetes.